This is a very tragic and deplorable act. I want to, as Member of Parliament, condemn this type of action. And I would also use this opportunity to express and extend sincere condolences to the family and friends. This is a very tragic incident, and it goes to show that the need for conflict resolution is in high demand in these communities in Westmoreland. It's not something that we want to see repeat. From all indications, the police would have gotten and held this individual. I'm not sure if the other individuals involved were held, but I am aware that someone is being held as it pertains to the incident. And it's just an all-round tragic incident. The entire community has lost for words. I've been getting the calls, and it's very painful at this time. So I stand here in solidarity with the family. We have Councillor Miles here from the Little London Division, while we are working quite diligently to clear the drains and to ensure that we reduce the flooding. To hear such an incident as this is quite tragic, and it is something that has affected us, and there's really not much words we can express, but it is just a very sad day for the community of Truro.